mdlshit tutorial. Woo. You need mdlshit, crowbar, Legion Plus, and Blender with the source tools plugin installed. First, you're going to go to crowbar. You're going to set up your games. I prefer Portal using Portal 2 because the compiler is a bit better, but you can also use Source Filmmaker. It works perfectly fine. You're going to decompile, browse to your MDL file, open it, decompile, and you're going to source stuff. Then you're going to import it into Blender, QC file. It's going to be a lot of junk. You don't really need to worry about that. Well, you do if you want to. If you want to painstakingly edit every LOD, which you don't need to, but it will help performance if you do that. Like, by help performance, I mean if you physically make the lower LEDs less quality and the higher LEDs more quality, that's fine. But you don't need to. You can just go to normal one, edit the highest LED. For example, I'm going to just make the scope bigger. Well, the barrel bigger, sorry. I'll do that. Then you want to go to here, copy this, open up Legion Plus, or Legion, load file, go to common.rpec. If you search for that, you're going to right click it to copy it, and then paste it in place of that. Do this for every material on every mesh that you want to actually remain fine. And then after that, you're going to go to this tab, switch over to SMD, export path to source, or whatever you named the export folder from Crowbar. You hit export. That's all you'll need from Blender for now, and Legion. So then you want to head back into the QC file in a text editor. If you edited those LOD files, you're going to leave this in place. But if you didn't, you need to take these out. You also need to remove the CD materials part. Now, this part is kind of optional, but it is more reliable in my experience. You're going to take out the sequence and the collision model, and you're going to replace that with an include model of nearly the same name, but you're going to change something. So I'm going to change WAT rifle to A AT rifle, standing for animations, because we're going to include the original model for the sake of its animations. So I'm going to remove this. That's all you need. That's all you need for the text editor. Then you go to crowbar, compile, and then that would. Yeah, that worked. Did it? Visual demo, comp W. Yes. All right. So then you have these, right? Then you're going to open up mdlshit, and then you're going to drag the files into here, disable the physics. If you did that, you check and convert, and then boom, you have converted. So then we're gonna cut that, paste it into our mod folder, rename it to AT rifle, and then since we remove the animations from that, we're going to copy that here, copy that to the source thing, or to the mod, and then rename it to AT rifle, whatever we did the include model to. That will fix the animations. Now we're just gonna start the game and see if it works. And with any luck, there it is. A long ass Kraber. How to do custom. So there you go.